Hey friends, if you wish to fix OneDrive high CPU or memory usage problem in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. See, here's the thing. When OneDrive is working, it can cause high CPU usage because it is using the internet and downloading files to your system, which could be very heavy, especially if you're using the paid subscription. So for the while, the workaround will be to select settings and then pause syncing for 8 hours, 12 hours, or so on. Let's say you have paused it for 8 hours. Now complete your work in 8 hours. Keep your system open. It will start syncing after 8 hours, and overnight it will sync all the files. Now this is what you can do. Call it a workaround, call it a solution, whatever you want, but this is the only option that you have at this point of time. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.